Hi, I want to talk to you a little bit about custom tabs. If you scroll down here, by default, Woocommerce only has a couple of tabs that you can actually use. I went ahead and bought a plugin so that I can make extra tabs based on what I wanted to say. For example, I wanted to offer a preview directly here that people could actually go in and take a look at. My preview is literally just hosted on Dropbox, and I will show you in a tutorial later how to do that. This particular part is free. However, creating the custom tab is not. I also added a place where I talk about my pitch points. This is kind of my reward system. I'll talk about that individually in a later video. Reviews automatically comes with it, and then I bought an additional program to talk about frequently asked questions and to allow people to ask questions. So think about whether you want to add custom tabs. The biggest thing that you're going to get from this is you're going to be able to add that preview tab, which I think is so important for them to be able to take a look at whatever custom preview that you actually want to show, beyond, of course, your thumbnails. You can add more than 4 thumbnails up here, but I don't like the look when there's so many extra pictures here. I just don't feel like they're going to actually go through all of them.